Ready to fire up your backyard barbecue game? Discover the top 5 best charcoal grills that deliver unbeatable flavor, durability, and value. Whether you're cooking for a crowd or grilling solo, these picks are built to impress. Get ready for juicy burgers, smoky ribs, and sizzling steaks like never before. Number 1. Royal Gourmet Barbecue Charcoal Grill. The Royal Gourmet Barbecue Charcoal Grill is a standout option for grill enthusiasts seeking versatility, space, and smoky flavor in one durable package. With 811 square inches of cooking area, including 443 square in of porcelain enameled grates, 184 square in warming rack, and 184 square in offset smoker, it's built to handle large meals with ease. The offset smoker ensures optimal heat and smoke circulation, while the side door allows for convenient charcoal access and ash cleanup. An air vent boosts airflow for quick fire ignition. Heat control is precise thanks to the 2-level adjustable charcoal pan, which holds up to 4.4 pounds of coal, allowing for customized cooking intensity. The lid-mounted thermometer offers clear temperature monitoring, so you can grill with confidence. Function meets convenience with front and side tables for prep space, plus a bottom shelf for additional storage, supporting up to 20 pounds. However, note that while the packaging may display a grill cover, it is not included with the product. Contact customer support if needed. Overall, the Royal Gourmet Barbecue Charcoal Grill offers excellent functionality and flavorful results, making it a reliable centerpiece for backyard barbecues. Number 2. Oklahoma Tabletop Charcoal Grill. The Oklahoma Tabletop Charcoal Grill is a compact yet powerful grilling solution, perfect for small gatherings or on-the-go cooking. Fueled by lump charcoal or briquettes, sold separately, this grill offers both direct and indirect heat options, letting you cook a variety of foods to perfection. With a 218 square inch cooking area, it easily handles up to 6 burgers, for steaks, or 12 brats, making it ideal for tailgates, picnics, or balcony barbecues. Its cast iron grates retain heat exceptionally well, ensuring even cooking and bold grill marks every time. The adjustable charcoal tray allows you to control heat intensity, while the removable ash pan simplifies cleanup after grilling. For precise cooking, the lid-mounted temperature gauge, complete with glow-in-the-dark accents, lets you monitor internal temps with ease. Airflow control is seamless with built-in dampers, helping you manage temperature by adjusting oxygen flow. Crafted with heavy-duty steel and a durable, high-temp finish, this grill resists rust and is built to last. The cool-touch rubber handle and sturdy side handles make it safe and easy to move. Portable, durable, and performance-ready, the Oklahoma Tabletop Charcoal Grill is a smart pick for serious grillers in tight spaces. Number 3. Char-Griller Patio Pro Charcoal Grill. The Char-Griller Patio Pro Charcoal Grill is a compact yet powerful barrel-style barbecue designed for small spaces like patios, decks, and backyards. Built with heavy-duty steel construction and finished with a durable powder coating, this grill offers reliability, style, and exceptional performance in one tidy package. With a 250 square inch cooking area, it provides ample space to grill steaks, burgers, or veggies while delivering that unmistakable charcoal flavor. The thick cast iron grates ensure even heating and beautiful sear marks, while the side air vent helps control airflow for optimal temperature management. Convenience is key with the Patio Pro. It features a stay-cool wood handle, a side shelf workstation with tool hooks, and a bottom storage rack for added functionality. The easy dump ash pan makes post-cook cleanup a breeze, and wheels provide effortless mobility for repositioning as needed. Measuring 21-inch LX31WX44H and weighing 50 pounds, it strikes the right balance between size and performance. While the grill cover is sold separately, it pairs perfectly with the Char-Griller 6060 cover. Easy to assemble and built to last, the Char-Griller Patio Pro is an excellent choice for anyone craving authentic barbecue in a smaller footprint. Number 4. Captiva Designs ExtraLarge Charcoal Grill. The Captiva Designs ExtraLarge Charcoal Grill is a powerhouse built for those who love to grill big and bold. With a generous 800 square inches of total cooking space, including 505 square in of primary grilling area and 289 square in. Stainless steel warming rack, it's perfect for everything from family dinners to backyard parties. What sets this grill apart are the two liftable charcoal trays, allowing for independent heat control across the grilling surface. Whether you're cooking a quick meal or hosting a large gathering, this flexible setup adapts to your needs effortlessly. The grill features enameled grilling grates and charcoal trays that resist high heat and clean up easily, while the chrome-plated warming rack keeps food ready to serve. Two foldable side tables offer ample prep space and can double as handles for moving the grill. When folded, they help minimize storage space, a thoughtful touch for tighter patios or sheds. Built with functionality and convenience in mind, this grill also comes backed by responsive customer support, ensuring peace of mind with your purchase. Stylish, spacious, and smartly designed, the Captiva Design's extra-large charcoal grill is a top-tier choice for grill masters who refuse to compromise. Number 5. Char-Griller Dual-Function Charcoal Grill. The Char-Griller Dual-Function Charcoal Grill offers versatility and power in a rugged, well-built design that's perfect for serious grillers. Boasting a total of 870 square inches of cooking space, including a 606 square in. Primary cook area, it provides ample room to handle everything from burgers and ribs to smoked brisket. This grill is built tough with heavy-duty steel construction and a durable powder-coated finish that resists the elements and wear over time. The porcelain-coated cast iron grates retain heat efficiently, delivering even cooking and restaurant-quality sear marks. A built-in temperature gauge ensures precise control, and the adjustable grate height allows you to fine-tune your heat levels for perfect results. Convenience is key with the easy dump ash pan, making post-cook cleanup a breeze. For those looking to explore smoking, the grill is compatible with a side fire box, sold separately, unlocking true Texas-style barbecue potential. With 24,000 BTUs of cooking power, it handles high heat searing and low and slow smoking alike. Whether you're grilling for a crowd or experimenting with flavors, the Char-Griller Dual-Function Charcoal Grill is a feature-rich, reliable companion for every backyard barbecue enthusiast.